Liftoff. The clock has started.
Roger.
Out and clear, Gus.
Roger, Aurora 7, stand by for the time hack.
Roger. Little bit of shaking. Pretty smooth.
3, 2, 1, mark.
Roger, the backup clock has started.
Roger, Aurora.
Clear blue sky. 32 seconds, 9,000. Fuel and oxygen steady. Cabin pressure 15.1 and dropping. A little rough through max Q. At 1 minute.
Roger, you're looking good from here.
Okay, 25 amps and the power is good.
Roger, you're looking good.
Mark, 1 minute. Cabin pressure is on schedule. Fuel and oxygen are steady, 24 amps. All the power is good.
Roger, pitch is 56, you look.
Roger, my pitch looks good. It's smoothing down a little bit now. I feel the pitch program starting over.
Roger.
Sky is getting quite black at 1:30. Elapsed. Fuel and oxygen is steady. Cabin pressure is leveling off at 6.2. 22 amps and the power is still good. A 1 CPS sway in yaw.
Roger, understand. Pitch is 37, you look real good.
Sure, I felt staging. Do you confirm? Do you confirm staging?
7, we confirm staging.
Roger. G peaked at 6.3. The tower is way out. It's gone. The light is green. Going over the big go check now.
Roger, 7.
Big go check is complete.
Roger, understand. Complete, is that correct?
That is Roger. At 3 minutes, fuel and oxygen are still steady. Cabin is holding 5.8. Power still looks good. My status is good.